What are the traps in a long-term care nursing assessment or plan of care that can result in a claims denial or termination of benefits? Did you know that a nursing assessment or plan of care is required by every long-term care policy, particularly when you file a claim and you're filing a claim on an ongoing basis? Now, different carriers have different forms, but the structure of the form is essentially the same. A nursing assessment can be obtained by you or from a case management company or from the care provider. Typically, what will happen is that the long-term care insurance carrier will send in a nurse to perform the assessment and will complete the form and describe in detail the type of care that you require. Now, a physician, a licensed practical nurse, or a social worker can also be required to certify that the information is correct. Now, regardless of the carrier, I think there are hidden traps in the nursing assessment form and the plan of care that you need to be aware of, because otherwise you might get a denial or termination of care. In this multi-part series, I'm going to take apart that typical form and I'm going to be explaining to you what the common traps are. Now, the typical form is 8 to 10 pages long. It's going to cover, among other things, the identity of the person completing the form, the insured's background information, the primary disabling medical diagnosis, additional diagnoses and complications, any changes in the insured's condition or care needs in the past 3 months, where the insured is residing, what type of care the insured is currently getting and how frequently, has the insured gotten physical, occupational, speech, or respiratory therapy in the last 2 years, and if so, the nature of the care and the dates of those cares. There's going to be a checklist of all sorts of medical conditions. They're also going to ask for the names of doctors, specialties, phone numbers, last treatment date, frequency of treatment. They're going to want to know your medication. They're going to want to know medication management and the use of pill boxes. They want to know your ability to explain what medication you're taking and to do so accurately. They want a cognitive assessment, and that would be the results of a Montreal cognitive assessment form. They're going to want to know the activities of daily living, any equipment you're using for mobility, whether you're using durable medical equipment, your driving ability, your balance, and your fall history. Now, I want you to understand that any one of these questions are traps, and we're going to talk about each one of these in detail in the next series of videos. If you have any questions, give me a call at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you regardless of the identity of your particular long-term care provider, Genworth, State Farm, Mutual of Omaha, and I can help you regardless of the nature of your disabling medical condition. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.